Good morning, students. Today we will discuss some problems relating to standard result in Laplace transform. In the first problem, find the Laplace transform of cos square 2t. We have to find out the Laplace transform of cos square 2t. To find the Laplace transform of cos square 2t, we should apply the identity. We know that cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. This identity in the trigonometry. In this identity, take theta is equal to 2t. Then we get cos square 2t is equal to 1 plus cos 2 into 2t divided by 2. That is 1 plus cos 4t by 2. Therefore, cos square 2t can be taken as 1 plus cos 4t by 2. Then this is equal to 1 by 2 Laplace transform of 1 plus cos 4t. That is equal to 1 by 2 Laplace transform of 1 plus Laplace transform of cos 4t. That is 1 by 2 into Laplace transform of 1 is equal to 1 by s. Then Laplace transform of cos 4t, Laplace transform of cos 8 is equal to s by s square plus s square. By using that standard result, we can write it as s by s square plus 60. This is the result. But to find the Laplace transform of cos square 2t, we should know the identity. In trigonometric identity, cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. In this identity, we take theta is equal to 2t. Then cos square 2t will be 1 plus cos. Then we apply the standard result in Laplace transform. The final result will be 1 by 2 into 1 by s plus s by s square plus 60. Okay, then we pass on to next problem. Second problem, Laplace transform of sin 5t cos 3t. We have to find out Laplace transform of sin 5t into cos 3t. To apply the standard results, we apply the identity in trigonometric transform. That is 2 sin a cos b. We know one identity in trigonometry, 2 sin a cos b is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Then another identity, 2 cos a sin b is equal to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Then 2 cos a cos b is equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Then 2 sin a sin b is equal to cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. These are the 4 important trigonometric identity in the trigonometry. Therefore, 2 sin a cos b equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. 2 cos a sin b equal to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. 2 cos a cos b equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. 2 sin a sin b equal to cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. In this problem, we can apply the first identity, 2 sin a cos b. Then we apply 1 by 2 into Laplace transform of 2 sin 5t cos 3t. We multiply numerator and denominator by 2. Then we get 2 sin 5t cos 3t. Then we can apply the formula 1 by 2 into here sin a plus b. A is equal to 5t, b is equal to 3t. Therefore, sin 8t plus sin 5t minus 3t, that is 2t. Therefore, 1 by 2 into. Then we can apply the directly standard result in Laplace transform. L of sin 8 is equal to a by s square plus s square. Here 8 by s square plus 16 plus 2 divided by s square plus 4. Therefore, this is the required result. To obtain the Laplace transform of sin 5t cos 3t, we should know the identity 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Applying that identity, we can easily work out the problem, and the will be 1 by 2 into 8 by s square plus 64 plus 2 by s square plus 4. Then we do the next problem. Then Laplace transform of sin cubed 2t. Next, we have to find out the Laplace transform of sin cubed 2t. In this case, we apply the formula sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cubed a. This is an identity in trigonometry. Sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cubed a. From this, 4 sin cubed a is equal to 3 sin a minus sin 3a. Sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cubed a. Therefore, 4 sin cubed a is equal to 3 sin a minus sin 3a. Therefore, sin cubed a is equal to 3 sin a minus sin 3a by 4. Take a is equal to 2t. Therefore, sin cubed 2t is equal to 3 sin 2t minus sin 3 into 2t, the sin 60 divided by 4. Therefore, we converted sin cubed 2t is equal to 3 sin 2t minus sin 60 by 4. In this formula, sin cubed a is equal to 3 sin a minus sin 3a by 4. We take a is equal to 2t. Therefore, sin cubed 2t is equal to 3 sin 2t minus sin 60 by 4. Therefore, we can apply here 1 by 4 Laplace transform of 3 sin 2t minus sin 60. That is 1 by 4 into 3 into Laplace transform of sin 2t minus Laplace transform of sin 60. Then we can apply directly the standard result 1 by 4 into 3 into sin 2t. Sin 8 is equal to a by s square plus a square. Therefore, 2 divided by s square plus 4 minus 6 divided by s square plus 36. Therefore, the final answer will be 1 by 4 into 6 by s square plus 4 minus 6 by s square plus 36. This is the final answer. Above, here we apply the trigonometric identity sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cubed a. From this standard result, we can arrive at sin cubed 2t is equal to 3 sin 2t minus sin 60. Apply that standard result. Finally, we get the answer as 1 by 4 into 6 by s square plus 4 minus s by 6 by s square plus 36. Okay.